Overall, the website looks good. Just one thing you guys might want to consider to change is the language on the home page. The very first thing that I noticed was future scope. You might consider rephrasing this paragraph. Do you have any idea on which industry should focus on for better future career development? It's kind of like you are asking them, do you have any idea? You might want to change it to something more suitable of you describing the future scope. And apart from that, what next thing looks good if you select your options in the drop down. The last thing was in the contact page. Mostly people prefer to write it with their surname first and their first name. And also, you might want to consider it doing alpha in alphabetical order. That looks more professional. Yeah, that's pretty much it.